In this tutorial, I will show you how to create wedding invitations in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, click Create a Design at the top right corner. In the search bar, type Wedding Invitation and select the Wedding Invitation Design option. Canva will open the editor with many invitation templates on the left side. Browse through the templates and choose one that matches your wedding theme or style. Click on a template and it will appear on your canvas. Next, customize the invitation by editing the text. Double-click the text boxes to add the couple's names, wedding date, venue, and any other details. You can also change the font style, size, and colors using the toolbar at the top. If you want to personalize the design further, add elements such as flowers, icons, shapes, or photos from the Elements tab. Adjust the layout until the invitation looks the way you want. When your design is finished, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF print format if you want high quality for printing, or choose PNG or JPG if you want to share it digitally. That is how you create wedding invitations in Canva.